जय महाराष्ट्र, जय भारत, अगरी वेस्ट, मराठी माणूस.
Well, hello guys. It's 1 o'clock and I came by this piece of abysmal machinery. This shit was supposed to reach Panvel at 8:30. It's 1:30 now. A staggering 5 hours late. You know what's funny? It was supposed to reach at 8:30, but it started from Pune at 9:30. Hopefully I can get a fast train which will take me to CST in 1.5 hours. I think that's realistic.
Yeah, death is a promise, but what is beyond it? I'm sure that I know soon. I know when I find it. I'm looking for answers and the meaning behind it. I'm taking a chance here. Yeah, I'm gambling on it.
So that's one of the challenges for today completed. I've taken the local train from Panvel to CST. Now see you in South Mumbai. Finally, I've reached Mumbai, CST, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj terminus. I guess this is where they shot Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, right at that point, I guess. This is where Aditya Roy Kapoor's character, Aditya, tells Ranbir Kapoor's character, Kabir, that his sattebazi ass is broke.
When everyone said that we couldn't, I put in the work just to even the odds. The odds against me, demons that tempt me, usually come with a smile.
I'm walking through what I think is Kala Ghoda. I swear, man. Fuck. I'm walking through what I think is Kala Ghoda, which translates to black horse or dark horse. I think we are very close to the jersey place that I visited last time, because on the way I'm seeing a lot of jerseys. I was on my way to Bakehouse Cafe when I realized that BSC is, if you remember from my blog 3 years ago, is very close to this place. So I thought that that's the first landmark that I can visit. Welcome to South Bombay, boys. The tourists come here for Gateway of India. The girls come here for the cafes. The guys come here for the girls. And I come here for...
मराठी माणूस, मराठी माणूस, मराठी माणूस. माझे रक्तात खाणं, रक्तात तुझे स्लोसाबून. तुला घरातून काढून.
I see some bougie buildings here. Designer clothes shit. Maybe this will improve my female viewership. Check that. Ghazal Gupta makes extravagant dresses. This is Ghazal Gupta, probably someone famous. There's Gitasha, also probably someone famous. Ogan, well, we all know about Ogan, right? Ankush Jain, big fan of that guy. Aishwarya, Raji Ramnik, and the one and only Aisha Rao. Now it makes sense. Now it makes a lot of sense. Who's smoking here, huh? Who's smoking here? That rock is Mandwa. So when कांचा asked ऋतिक रोशन मुंबई बेचने आया है, बदले में कुछ तो चाहता होगा, and ऋतिक रोशन says Mandwa, that's what he's talking about. So that's challenge 2 also completed. My second mode of transport, a Kali Pili taxi. Show you the colors. This is our driver. भैया कितने साल से चला रहे हो?
कम से कम 15 साल।
अभी पेट्रोल महंगा हो रहा है तो थोड़ा मुश्किल हो रहा है।
मुश्किल तो हो ही रहा है, गवर्नमेंट को ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए। कभी पेट्रोल बढ़ा देती है, कभी CNG बढ़ा देती है। जब कांग्रेस के ज़माने में 10 रुपया 10 पैसा 20 पैसा बढ़ता था, इसके ज़माने में 50 रुपया 100 रुपया डायरेक्ट बढ़ रहा है।
In the Mumbai, I love my India. We are the Bharat.
Hey Ganpa, hey Ganpa, hey Ganpa. कौन ये गणपत कौन है?